Most people on a low income don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because no one taught them how money actually works. And one of these 7 tips could change your finances faster than getting a raise. In this video, you'll learn how to save money on a low income using proven tips that actually work in real life. No extreme budgeting, no fake gurus, just simple systems anyone can use starting today. Tip 1. Track. 1 month of spending, not forever. Most people fail at budgeting because they think they have to track every expense for the rest of their lives. That sounds exhausting, and it is. Here's the truth. You don't need a lifetime budget. You need awareness. Track every expense for just 30 days. Write it down. Use an app, or use notes on your phone. This 1 month will reveal patterns you've never noticed before. Small purchases, convenient spending, emotional buying. Most people are shocked by what they find. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Later in this video, you'll learn how to cut expenses without feeling deprived. Tip 2. Pay yourself first, even if it feels too small. Many people say, "I'll save when I earn more." That day rarely comes. Saving isn't about the amount. It's about training your behavior. The moment money comes in, save 5 to 10%, even if it's just a few dollars. This creates a powerful identity shift. You stop being someone who hopes to save and become someone who saves automatically. Over time, small amounts compound into confidence, and confidence changes financial decisions. Tip 3. Use the 24-hour rule. Before any non-essential purchase, impulse spending is one of the biggest reasons saving feels impossible. Here's a simple rule that works surprisingly well. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. During that time, ask yourself one question. Will I still want this tomorrow? Most of the time, the answer is no. That urge fades. This rule doesn't remove enjoyment from your life. It removes regret. Over a year, this single habit can save more money than a raise. Tip 4. Cut fixed expenses before cutting joy. Many people start saving by cutting everything that makes life enjoyable. That never lasts. Instead, focus on fixed expenses first. These are costs that repeat every month, whether you think about them or not. Internet plans, phone plans, subscriptions, streaming services. Cutting one fixed expense saves money every single month going forward. You don't have to make the decision again. This is where real, lasting savings come from. Tip 5. Automate savings. So willpower isn't required. Willpower is unreliable. Stress kills it. Fatigue kills it. Life kills it. That's why automation works so well. Set your savings to move automatically right after payday into a separate account. When the money is gone before you see it, spending adjusts naturally. No discipline required. This turns saving into a background process. And systems always beat motivation. Coming up next is the tip that helps even when income feels impossible to stretch. Tip 6. Increase income. Without burning yourself out, saving has limits. You can only cut so much. But increasing income, even slightly, changes everything. This doesn't mean working 2 exhausting jobs. It means being strategic. Look for small opportunities. Freelance work, online tasks, selling unused items, using tech or AI tools to earn or save time. Even an extra $50 a month can relieve pressure. And once pressure drops, saving becomes easier. Tip 7. Build an emergency buffer before anything else. Many people think they need thousands saved to feel secure. That belief keeps them stuck. Instead, start with one simple goal. $100. This small buffer protects you from panic, from borrowing, from falling back into debt. Once you reach it, Slowly build toward the next milestone. Momentum will do the heavy lifting. This is how financial stability actually begins. Saving money on a low income isn't about sacrifice or suffering. It's about building smart systems that work even when money is tight. Subscribe and follow for more videos about money, tech tools, productivity, and motivation.